Vumidlozi kungokunye nje okuyibhodlelanyana okungakanyana uvumidlozi ozothola kunomuthi omnyama lapho uyabungathi nje ungamafuthanyana vaselini ini omnyama uzobona namabele nento ezibonisa ukuthi hayi zikhona lezi zinto ezisetshenziswa okhokho bepheka imithi yabo. Kunomuntu okumele ayothwasa noma ushukwa lidlozi ehlele ekhaya ngoba esilongeze ungalivumanga ungabe uyile entwaseni ungaba uyanga lizokushuka. Uyasetshenziswa ke ushisulaka uyasetshenziswa ke uvumidlozi not shulaka uyasetshenziswa ke uvumidlozi. Ukuvumidlozi ulihlalisa kuwe lingabe lokho lingena lidlubulundela ngenkani lazi ukuthi uyalivuma nomzimba nawazi ukuthi idlozi liyazi ukuthi livunyiwe ukuze lingakushuki idlozi. Uthi usiya kumuntu othwasisayo ufike idlozi lakho lihlelekile livumile lipholile lijabulile lisiyofunda nje ukunamathelana nomzimba lifundisa ukwenza izinto kuphela njengokwentwaso. I am introducing to you a mixture in a formula which is Khokhovula's spiritual product, namely Vumidlozi. Vuma means to agree, accept, and take it and accept. Idlozi is ancestor spirits, so you are accepting your ancestor spirits. This Vumidlozi, you use it to accept your spirits, to alert them, to make them know you accept them in your body. You agree to be used by them in that calling, so that they don't always come by force in your body. Those vibrations are the ones that have caused people to get sick. And then you see yourself sick, you start to be told, yeah, you are supposed to go uthwasa an initiation to being a sangoma. That's the reason you are sick. No, it is because you didn't accept them. Always when they come to you, they've got to be vibrations because they are forcing. So now even you at the initiation, if you haven't done the process of Vumidlozi, just make your order. Buy from Khokhovula Vumidlozi. You'll see you'll be at ease with your calling. Thank you.